Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen, As-salatu was-salamu ala khatimin nabiyyin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in, amma ba'd. فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. قال الله تعالى في سورة الأعراف: كتاب أنزل إليك فلا يكن في صدرك حرج منه لتنذر به وذكرى للمؤمنين. Translation: This book is revealed to you, so let there be no uneasiness in your chest heart because of it. Revealed that you warn with it, and this is a reminder for the believers. Surah Al-Aaraf was revealed during the last years of Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu da'wah in Mecca, and this was about 10 or 11 years after the first wahi, and Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu was trying every possible way to invite the Quraysh towards Islam, but despite of his sincere and continuous hard efforts, the results were not as good. Only a few Sahaba accepted the Islam, and most of the leaders of Quraysh rejected the Islam. It is a common experience in this life that if some person trying to achieve a goal and he is not able to do so, he may find other people's and put the blame on their head. But a person who is sincere, who is honest, and who is truthful will try to see if there was any lack in his effort, or if there is any shortcoming in his efforts which is not getting the result that was expected. And the same thing was happening with our beloved Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu, that after doing so much efforts and doing so much work, when he did not see the results, he felt some burden on his heart that maybe I am not doing a good job. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is consoling Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam in this ayah that, O Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, you should not have any burden on your heart and should have no uneasiness in your heart because of the fact that majority of the Quraysh did not accept Islam. This Quran is sent to you so that you can warn with it, and it is the reminder for the believers. So those people who have a true heart will accept it, and those people who do not have a truthful heart will not accept it. This is a remembrance from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and this topic we have studied in Surah Al-Aaraf, ayah number 19, and this has come in this ayah with a word of zikra or remembrance. And this could be understood with an example that if we have something in our mind, but it has been years that we talked about it, we may forget. But if we see any sign of it, we will remember it. For example, if some friend of ours gave us a pen 30 years ago, and we put that pen in a box and forget it, but if today after 30 years if we see that pen, we will remember our friend who gave it 30 years ago. So similarly, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has created this world and has put his ma'arifah and his love in every human's heart, but because of the time and because of the other activities, there is forgetfulness on our heart that we tend to forget the love of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala that is in our heart. But if we see the ayahs of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, we will remember him again. So Quran will activate the potential love of Allah that is present in our heart, but that became dormant because of forgetfulness. Pray that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us true understanding of Quran. Ameen. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Assalam.